significant energy. No, I'm using, that's silly. That's their crazy talk. Their crazy talk. QuickTime is not using significant energy, and neither is screen capture. Liar. Alright. And CPU 163 here is not at 121, 212. No app using significant energy. Hooray. Okay, so I'm going to close this here. This is my desktop of things to upload, and then I'm going to play this video. Alright. And this video, part of it is in this recording of 1 hour 6 minutes 55 seconds. So here it is. Mac has not been charging for 2 hours and 44 minutes. Okay, up here it's staying at 59%. Now I'm going to play it, and there's a ding. The ding is from Stalker, not from me, where 244 will change. He doesn't want to see the Mac has not been charging for 2 hours 44 minutes, so he changes it. But 59% charge does not change. Okay, it's still at 59%, not charging, up in the menu bar. So I'm gonna play it now. That's me taking screenshots. One screenshot. Battery still not charging for 2 hours 44 minutes. Battery in the menu bar is at 59%, not charging. 59%. It will remain at 59% except in activity monitor. Wait for the ding. There's the ding. Now 2 hours 45 minutes it hasn't been charging for, but that will change. See, it went to 0. Still not charging, but it went to 0. So 245 will now change. Two hours 45 minutes will now change. Still not charging for 59 minutes. This will not be in the recording, but screen saver came on a moment ago. It's not going to be in the recording, it never is. The screen dimmed, but it's not going to be in the recording. Okay, so now from 2 hours 45 minutes, and it's now at 1 minute. 59% not charging remains the same there as up here. Alright, and QuickTime is using significant energy, and RPM is over 8,000, and I'm going to stop recording.